Waking up in the livable forest breeze, where the sun peeks through the Kingwood trees. At 2200 Lake Village Drive, the feeling is right. From the morning glow to the Texas night. Why pay $1,600 for a tiny little box when you can unlock the door where the value really rocks? 1,000 square feet for 1,200, it's true. We got the space and the style waiting here for you. Trailwood Village, it's the place to be. From Kingwood to Biloxi, come and live with me. Laredo and La Jolla, or the Merida Vista view. At Palma or Edgewater, we're looking out for you. We don't just lease apartments or sign a name on a pen. We help you make a choice you'll feel confident in. Check the winter one bedroom, 710 square feet. Or the Stratford two bedroom, 1,027 treat. From the Avalon and Berkeley to the Essex floor, to the Bristol, Brighton, Hampton, and so many more. We got the Abilene and Bradford for the family crew. Stainless steel and faux wood, everything is new. With 75 miles of trails for your bike, it's the active scenic lifestyle that you're gonna like. From the granite in the bathroom to the tile on the wall, we've got the resort pools and the service for it all. Humble is D and the green belt so wide. With Jordan and Andrea, we're right by your side. Give a ring to the team, yeah, the number is new. At 281-764-1053 for you. Oh, Trailwood Village, it's the place to be.